In this video, I'll be going over decimals to mixed numbers with simplifying. In order to convert decimals to mixed numbers, we need to first look at the last decimal place and determine the denominator. And then we will simplify after, if needed. For the first example, we have 6.4. So we'll first look at the last decimal place here, which is 0.4. This is the 10th value. So the denominator would be 10. And 4 would be the numerator. And since 6 is the whole number, so we would just place the 6 here. So that would be the mixed number. Then we can see 4 could be divided by 2 and 10 could divide by 2. So that would become 6 and 2/5. For the second example, we have 3.25. Now looking at the last decimal place, this is the hundredth. So for the hundredth value, we will have 100 on the bottom, and then we'll place the 25 as the numerator, and then the whole number will be 3. Then 25 and 100 can be simplified. Both can be divided by 25. So then this will be 3, the whole number, and then 1/4. And that will be the answer for example 2. Now for the third example, we have 15.425. Looking at the last decimal, we have in the thousands. And so the denominator will be 1000. And we want to put 425 as the numerator. Bring down the 15, it's the whole number. Next, we're going to try to simplify 425 over 1000. Divide both by 25. 425 divided by 25 is 17. And 1000 divided by 25 is 40. And that would be the answer for example 3. Now for the final example, we have 6 as the last decimal place, and that would be 10,000th place. So we will put 10,000 as the denominator, and then 2,436 as the numerator. Now this is a big one, but we can see that both denominator and numerator can divide by 4. And so this will be 609 as the numerator, 2,500 as the denominator. And that will be the answer. So these 4 are examples of how you would convert decimals to mixed numbers with simplifying. You want to first look at the last decimal place in order to determine what the denominator is going to be, and then you will simplify if needed. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.